I wanted to do a quick video on blogging versus vlogging. How to choose. So let's just say that you're not a great content writer, but you like being in front of a camera. That's how you can utilize vlogging, kind of like what I'm doing here, doing everything on video. Vlogging is just basically a form of video, whereas the blog is more content where someone writes out the words. It's a little bit more work to do it that way. However, something I've discovered, it's best to do both. If you could do the video and then write a blog with the video, that's only if you aren't just directly using YouTube. If you're using YouTube, different story. But if you want to build a website up, build some traffic to a website, make some money through ads, etc., then I think utilizing blogs along with your video is a awesome tool. It all depends on fits your what fits you. You know, I tend to like video a lot more than just traditional blogging, just because I can look at a video, get exactly what I want within 2 to 3 minutes, and be done and move on to the next thing. Especially if it's an education piece. Maybe you're showing someone how to do something. I really think video is the best way to go, but there are some people who just want to read, and I think that's where the blogging can come into play. I've found, just with testing my own blog, SEOforvideos.com, I've actually found that if you use video along with a blog, it's extremely, Google absolutely loves it. Um, you can test it for yourself, but that's what I've discovered on some of the tests. If you go through my blog, you will notice that some blog posts have no video, and then there are some that don't. However, we are in the process of just making sure that every video or every blog that we do will have a video attached to it. Um, so that's kind of my point of view on blogging versus blogging. As far as how to choose, that's totally up to you. But if you can, you'll ask both. Thank you for checking out my video. Subscribe and make sure you check out SEOforvideos.com. Thanks.